Hey everyone, welcome back to This Old TJ. On today's show, I'm taking my Warn Platinum S 10,000 pound winch, previously been on two other Jeeps I've owned, and transferring over it to This Old TJ. So follow along, be pretty straightforward. I'm changing up a couple things because I lost a couple of the lock nuts and couldn't buy flange ones around here. So I'll show you how I'm coping with that. So starting out, I've already got the winch turned upside down on my workbench. I'm going to start out by putting in the flanged nuts that do work with the existing bolts. So 4 of these, they slip in, line up pretty easily. All right, I have the 4 flange nuts in. I have the front of the winch now facing me, and I'm going to take the hoop, feed it through this fairlead, and set the plate on the front. Then next up, I'm going to set the bumper on top, start a couple bolts. And I actually have a jack stand here on my workbench that I'm going to use to support the front of this because it becomes really top heavy and wants to tip on me. And to get all 4 bolts started in here, I want to have it upright. So we'll take our big heavy rock hard bumper and set it up top and line things up. After deciding the way I wanted to theft proof this wasn't going to work as well or as easy as I was hoping, I'm going to change up the route. I go slightly, still have this thing balanced up on the jack stand and my coffee cup in front. It's going to drop new bolts in here. See if I can get them locked down a bit firmer. All right, they are in. So measuring the bolt center to center come in right at about 4.5 inches. So I'm going to take some flat stock, cut a couple of 4.5 inch pieces. Then I'm just going to tack weld those on from front to rear bolts. Between that and the blue Loctite, this is definitely not going anywhere, and should make it a little more difficult for somebody to just decide they want my winch more than I want my winch. The fitment on these looks pretty well centered up between the front and rear bolts. So next up, I'll grind down the tops of the bolt heads a hair, give me a clean surface to weld on, wipe it down with some acetone. We'll get these things tacked on here. All right, everything's in place. I'll grab my hood, get the welder fired up, and we'll get these stacked on here. Alright, those are burned in enough to keep them from going anywhere easily. Pretty sloppy welding, but it'll get the job done. We'll call this good for now. It's ready to bolt on the front of the Jeep. So we'll lift this thing over, get it dropped on there, and I'll make that part too. Thanks for watching.